नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today session we are going about discuss the capacity expansions, and in this subjects project management. Our topic capacity expansions, and so let us start now. Capacity expansion. Capacity expansion is the process of adding and facilities of similar type over and time to meet a rising demand for their services, and there is an exhaustive and literatures and on planning of capacity and expansion is the process of adding and facilities over time in the order to satisfy and rising demand. To capacity expansions and decisions in the business sectors and generally added and up to the massive and commitment of capital. The efficiency and investment of capital depends on making appropriate decisions in individual expansions undertaking. On the other hand, capacity expansions and decision can be improved and through the use of operations research models, and while real capacity expansions and problems are very often and more complex than the models and studies in this paper are robust. The simplified and mathematical models and can capture accepts and that are important in many applications since the 1960s, and quite a number of qualitative the studies have been conducted on the capacity expansions problem. Now, apart from the physical additions, the time when expansions and occur is of interest for planning purpose. An important characteristics of most capacity problems is the recognitions of economics of scale and large installations and usually cost less per produced a unit than small ones. But if the demand level is the continuously rising on the large run and backlogging of demand is not permitted. Now let's discuss diagram. Expansion capacity and excess capacity will our figure 1. Thus, and there is a trade off between scale economics and excess capacity cost, and leading to a compromised and optimal solution. Now, apart from expansions and size and expansion time, other decisions variables may be added to the problem, such as the alternative locations of the facilities and facilities types जैसे लूसेस 1982 and subjects to classical extensions by Shriram and figure deeps and the problem is general terms given at determines and for functions of growing demand over time and knowing how capital cost varies and as a functions of capacity the objective is to determine the optimal expansion times and considering a linear demand functions and show that when demand is a diffusion and process in continuous time the effect of randomness and can be equality and represented by a reductions in the discounting investment interest rate. Now, later analyzing the case of attributary and birth and death demand process and discussed how one can leave the interest and rate unchanged and replace the forecasted original demand values and by the larger qualities and buildings and equivalent deterministic and demand and model the generic and the demand process under which and the equivalent and interest rate approach applies and the treatments of the capacity expansions problems however assumes and that one continues to place additional and facilities in the identified and future as soon as the facilities are the fully utilized. In other words, demand capacity and excess capacity, then T0, T1 and T2, T4 and everything was the time. And next now let me discuss diversifications, expression decision and increasing the productions and capacity to avoid and storage or delay in the delivery of products or services, increasing oil refining and capacity from 1000 to 2000 tons. Now let me discuss diversification decisions and comings of new product line to capture and the new investment opportunities and increasing revenues. Now discuss the figures. Red lines denoted by the generated traffic and traffic value with added capacity. Now next denoted by the blue line is traffic value without added capacity. Now roadway and capacity added T for time and next traffic lines and value. Now diversification is a corporate strategy to enter into a new products or products lines, new services or new markets and involving stability and different skills and technology and knowledge and conglomerates and diversifications. Sorry. It involves and diversification. Sorry. Diversifications into unrelated areas. It is a very popular and but highly and controversial investment strategy. Though it is a good device for reducing and risk ex- sorry expose and wedding growth and possibilities, but but it decreases the average probability. Thank you. This sessions is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss the problem solving, and thank you.